Hello everyone, it's me, your Scoop, and today we're gonna play Super Mario Maker World Engine, and yes, this is basically a Mario Maker fan game. Well, let's play, shall we? So we're gonna play some good old troll levels, and we're gonna play Smitchy Mario Bros, because, you know, classic, you know what I mean? Oh, no one won. Well, I guess I will be the first one, I guess.
Let's go.
Okay, this seems easy. Wait, one up? How can I pass those?
What the hell?
Oh, I need to be more quicker. Now I get it. I guess I have to kill myself real quick. There. Now, next one will be easy. Okay, let's do this. And... oh. Okay, I was distracted. We can do this again. There. You have to be kidding. Okay, okay. See, we got... okay, last one didn't work, so we can... this is... okay, we can do this, Just have... okay. Let's go. Yes! We did it! Oh. I need to get big to go over there? Oh, I guess no. You have to be kidding me. Okay, let's kill ourselves then. And jump! Well, at least we know how to win, I guess. Okay, let's do this one last... you know what? I'm leaving the game. I'm leaving.